welcome back with the new tutorials. As I said in my previous tutorials, we have to do the double line drawing for the first floor as well. So similarly we have to start now. So what you will do in the same process, you have to select this all the polyline first. Okay, simply select this one and convert to the normal line. Okay, so simply select all these. Okay, then after selecting, you need to go to this properties and then you can found here this line type. Okay, so simply go to the line type and select the bilayer. Okay, now again you have to now you need to explode this because this is polyline, so you want to convert into the normal line. So simply select this one, type X, enter. Okay, then again if you want to repeat the same command, so no need to press again and again X. Simply select this one and press enter. Okay, to repeat the command, select, press. Okay, it's very simple. Select and press it. Okay, now we have to offset this one. So offset 55 mm each side, 55 mm each side. Simply offset. Okay, okay. It's very simple. Simply select this and offset like this. Okay, simply select this one, offset, select, offset. Okay, now match this one first. So simply type MA and select the excess line from here, and now this time you need to match this. Okay, simply match this one, match, there you go, match this. Okay, now what you will do, we have to simply erase this one because we are going to copy paste. Okay, so no need this line. Okay, I am going to remove this. Okay, now we have to simply copy this fitting from here. Okay, simply copy this one also. Okay, from here, okay, up to here. There you go. Okay, now we have what you will do, simply move this. So type M, select this and this also, and now select the center point and place it here. Okay, where you go, now we have to erase this one, the center line. Okay, and then you have to trim. So type TR, select this and this edge, enter, then select like this. There you go. Now you have to select this one and erase it. Okay, now again TR, select this edge, now trim this. Okay, now select and erase it. Okay, okay, now we have to copy this one again. So go to this first floor, ground floor, and type CO, copy. Okay, and copy this one. Okay, and also you need to copy this. Very good. Okay, so now in this time we need to copy from here. Okay, and then simply go to this first floor and place it here. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so it's going to be placed very perfect. Okay, now you have to erase this. Select this one, erase it. Okay, it's perfect. Little bit need to move, so select this one. So select this and move little bit because it's not perfect at center. Okay, so now it's placed perfectly. Okay, there you go. Now you have to trim this, select this line and trim this one and this also. Okay, again select this, again trim, press TR, enter, select the edge and okay, and then trim this. Very good. Now what you will do, simply copy this one. So type CO and copy this. Also this two line need to be copy, and this connection need to be copy. There you go. Okay, now from here you need to copy and place it here. Very simple. Okay, very simple. So this single line drawing is most important, and if you made the simple line drawing, single line drawing, it is enough for the design engineer, and the shop drawing has to be prepared by draftman only. Okay, and but you should have knowledge for this also. Okay, now simply trim this. If you prepare the single line drawing, that's enough. But based on the SLD drawing, you need to prepare the shop drawing also. Now trim this one, simply select and type E, enter. Okay, simply erase this. Now TR, select the cutting edge. Okay, this cutting edge, press enter. Now simply select this. Okay, now see, erase this one. Okay, so this is also over. Now we have to copy this end cap, place it here. Okay, now you have to move down and rotate this. Okay, type RO, enter, move this one, select from the center and place it here. Okay, now erase this end cap. Okay, now we have to move this one, type M, 50 mm, enter. Okay, now TR, cutting edge. Okay, cutting edge, erase it. Very good. You have to select this line to here, so this one. Very good. Okay, now we have to save this one, and for this also you need to this one, what you will do, simply select this one. Okay, this connection, and rotate this, simple rotate this. Okay, and now move this one from here, center, and place it here. Very good, here. Okay, now what you will do, simply extend this. Okay, here, and offset. Okay, 55 mm, like this. Very good. Okay, now what you will do, simply extend this one, and simply trim the extra line. Okay, now simply select this. Okay, and erase it. Very simple. Okay, now trim this one, erase it, also this one. Okay, very simple. You can connect like this also. Otherwise, what you will do, simply take one line from here, XL, construction line, and angle 45. Okay, and then mirror this one. So from here, okay, and erase this. It's very simple. Okay, now what you will do, simply move this one from here up to here. Okay, okay, now you need to erase this. Okay, Okay, simply erase this, then rotate this one. Rotation angle -45. There you go. Okay, now you have to move this down, or simply select the center point and place it here. Okay, there you go. Now simply offset this 55 here and here. Very simple. Okay, now extend this one. Simply extend this. Okay, and also this one. Very simple. Okay, now we have to trim the extra line, so this need to be trimmed. Okay, and also tr, use trim command, trim this line, trim this line. You can connect like this also. Okay, simply select this one and trim this. Use trim command and trim like this. Okay, you can connect like this also. Simply type and match this one, this excess. There you go. Because this T is not fitted here, so you can connect like this also at 45 degree. Okay, so this is over, and in this gents toilet, I think this is the ladies toilet, so ladies toilet is over. So in the next tutorial we have to complete for the gents toilet first floor. So thank you guys, thank you once again. I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Also please like and share and comment my video, and share with your friends circle. So thanks for watching once again. Thank you. Bye bye.